Hi, this is just to give you a timeline of CAT 25 as to when the forms are expected to be out, when the CAT will be conducted, the interviews, etc. So you just have a fair idea as to how the CAT 2025 will pan out. Right? So we've been training students for more than 23 years from MBA Entrance, so fairly comfortable with the examination and the pattern and how it goes. Right? We do have different courses for CAT 25, right, from the 100% Tel batch to a DLR 1000 if you want specific DLR course, Con 1000 for specific Con course. If you're interested, to contact us. Okay, now if you look at CAT 2024 dates, I mean the application forms are out on 1st August and the forms are available 20th September. So that's what is expected as such. Admit card came on 5th November. The CAT exam itself was conducted on 24th November as such. Answers case came out on 3rd December. The final results were out on 19th December. So by 19th December you have a scorecard, you know your percentile as where you stand as such. Interviews in February, March, results in April, May, right? And the college starts in June. So this is the expected timeline, or this was what it was last year, expected to be same. So if we look at a CAT 25, it will be same. The first week of August to 2nd to 3rd week of September is where the CAT forms are expected to be out. Try to fill as early as possible. Don't keep it for the last minute as such. Admit card first week of November. So by that time you'll get your admit card. Last Sunday of November is where the CAT exam will be held, expected to be on 30th November. Answer keys on 1st, 2nd week of December, final result on 3rd, 4th week of December. Interviews, February, March, that's remain the same. Results April, May, and the B school session will start in June. So that is what is the expected timeline. Eligibility for writing the exam is 50% marks in your final graduation. That is what is expected. So these are the timelines as such, most likely going to be the same. So that means you still have more than 5 months to write the examination or for the examination, enough time to prepare. So plan properly and prepare, I'm sure you'll be able to get through. So the admission process will include the VAT, GD, PI. I mean, some may have only VAT and PI, some may have VAT, GD, PI. PI is there everywhere, the GD, VAT may not be there based on the college. Okay, your selection is based on various factors, right, from academic performance to work experience, gender, diversity, so all that factors will play into picture. So your marks, work experience, gender, and the diversity. So based on this, you will get calls, and you will be based on that. You will be selected finally as well. I hope this is clear. We will come up with more videos that will help you understand how to prepare and what to do across. Thank you.